Don't scroll away. You're about to witness the entire process of how a high-quality laser cutting machine is built. Songu Laser not only provides a variety of small and medium-sized processing equipment, but also large-scale heat treatment equipment. Before us stands a massive high-tech annealing furnace, measuring 40 meters in length, 10 meters in height, and 4.2 meters in width. The welded workpiece must first enter the furnace chamber at a temperature below 100 degrees Celsius, then is steadily heated at a rate of 100 to 150 degrees Celsius per hour, up to 650 degrees Celsius. This is followed by a 4-hour soaking period to allow the heat to fully penetrate the material. After turning off the heat, the material undergoes an additional 6 to 8 hours of soaking, enabling stresses to gradually relieve at a stable temperature. Finally, when the temperature drops below 200 degrees Celsius, the workpiece is unloaded from the furnace and undergoes a 4-hour air cooling treatment to completely eliminate residual stress, bringing its performance to the optimal state. This high-tech annealing furnace can automatically adjust temperature and control parameters based on the size, thickness, and material of the workpiece, ensuring that each piece receives precisely tailored annealing treatment. Upon close observation, after undergoing thorough annealing, these machine tool structural components have naturally developed a thin, reddish-brown oxide layer on their surfaces. After annealing, the structural components proceed directly to the spraying phase. Through a meticulous spraying process involving repeated steps of sanding, dust blowing, wiping, priming, and top coating, the equipment's appearance is enhanced. It not only improves the visual quality, but also strengthens the anti-corrosion performance. Only products that pass inspection using professional coating thickness gauges and cross-cut adhesion tests are allowed to proceed to the precision machining stage. After annealing and spraying, the workpiece enters the most critical stage, gantry high-precision machining. Songu Laser possesses multiple advanced large-scale high-precision vertical gantry machining centers, with specifications covering a full range of sizes including 16 meters, 8 meters, and 4 meters. These machines are flexibly tailored to meet the high efficiency and high precision machining demands of diverse components, specializing in the autonomous manufacturing of core critical parts. The machining accuracy of its linear guide rails can achieve 0.02 millimeters per meter, and it can complete precise tapping of a threaded hole every 10 to 15 seconds on average. Equipped with an advanced automatic tool magazine and changer, it ensures that all components can be clamped in a single setup under fully automated program operation without manual intervention. All critical components must be manufactured and pass inspection before they can proceed to Songu Laser's assembly workshop.